Here I am, children. Good afternoon. Once more, giving you certain exercises. That is from the textbook itself, page number 107. Take out page number 107. Okay. Now, there, match the following is there. Match the following. So, what you do is there, match the following. You have to match them. You don't write in your classwork book this just is just for to study for you. So okay, now you come there. Mad, insane, insane. Meaning afterwards you see, take the dictionary and see. Reply, answer. Okay. Center, middle. Center, middle. Top, top, submit. Top, submit. Okay. Assist, help. Assist, help. Old, aged. Old, aged. Lucky, fortunate. Lucky, fortunate. Leave, abandon. Leave, abandon. Now coming to the second, can you think of a synonym for each of the words in the list below? Now write there only, little place you make and write. Okay. Now inquire. Just a dash you put and write. Ask. Inquire. Ask. Be. Seize. Seize. Stop. Seize. Stop. Then after that, what is there? Moist. Moist. Damp. 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 Then next, clever. Intelligent. Clever. Intelligent. Then next, powerful. Strong. Powerful. Strong. Then F, enormous. Enormous. Huge. Huge. Slim. Thin. Slim. Thin. Okay. Generous. Benevolent. Generous. Benevolent. Okay. Now coming to the next, learning about language. That is all in 107 page number in the textbook. Don't search here and there. 107 textbook. That is what is that called? Next exercise. Learning about language. Learning about language. Dash caught the thief red-handed. So what is the subject and predicate there? The villagers caught the thief. Dash caught the okay. Now answer is this. The villagers caught the thief red-handed. The villages, subject and predicate, that is the villages. Okay. Right. Second one, dash cleaned the dirty floor. Cinderella. Cinderella. See, dash was willing to take the bull by the horns. The determined man was, determined spelling you see, DETERMINED. Determined man was willing to take the bull by the horns. Over D. The teacher had to find another job. The teacher had to find another job. That is was subject and predicate. Understood? The next write out, this is infinitives in the following sentences. Now in that infinitive you take out. Next, page number 108 you take out. Page number 108. Infinitive, definitive and infinitive, you know that. But when you go to 6th, I will be explaining later on. Now today you just do it this. Okay. To go, that is the infinitives. To go, underline. Then they asked their mother to give. To give, underline. That is infinitive. To give. See. Okay, see you come now. See there, to swim. To swim. To swim. That is over. Then D, to catch. Underline. To catch. To catch. D. It is there now. To catch. Then E. There also comes to catch only. Okay, later on I will give explanation about this. Now infinitives over, rewrite the sentences, use the infinitives used by the underlined words. Underlined words, that is what is there. Now suppose she wants to sleep in the afternoon. So like that. Now okay, I will tell you. You just see this and write in your this down you write. Classwork book. Now just you note down and keep. So what is the answer for it, you know? First one, rewrite the sentences, use an infinitives instead of the underlined words. So first one, she wants to sleep in the afternoon. She wants to sleep in the afternoon, it is given, but she wants to sleep in the afternoon. She wants to sleep in the afternoon. Now B, coming to the B you write. Slowly, I am telling you. Once more if you want, I will repeat you. She wants to sleep in the afternoon. B. Okay. B. The dog was overjoyed to see his master. The dog was overjoyed to see his master. Over C. C no, I mean third one. Maya asked to borrow some sugar. Maya asked to borrow some sugar. Then D. Next one is D. The children laughed to the tricks of the monkey. The children laughed to the tricks of the monkey. Fifth one. Sheila was told to come home early. Sheila was told to come early. So this is what today's all. This much you have done. So you better write in your classwork whatever I have explained to you. It is now next other pages also must be, but I have not gone through which is left, so I am coming back with the grammar. Whatever I have not done, next you keep noting it. Then one day you tell me, then let us go to back to all the exercise part of it. Okay, this is what I am going to tell you all. So children, do well, write very neatly, very neatly. I want to see the work neat and clear. Don't just like that scribble in books. And attend the online classes regularly. Attend the online class regularly. Today I want to know, many did not. So I just wanted to call the parents. That is what I am doing. Okay, then see you. So any doubt if you have, you can ask me in online class. If not, whenever you feel like you can call and you ask me. Okay then, see you. Bye. God bless you and keep healthy and wealthy.